An oversized neutral offers several benefits. Firstly, it improves current carrying capacity. A larger neutral conductor can carry more current. This reduces voltage drop and potential overheating. Secondly, oversized neutrals can help stabilize voltage levels, especially during periods of high peak demands. This reduces voltage fluctuations. Thirdly, the neutral conductor acts as a return path for current, so an oversized neutral provides a better path for ground fault currents, improving safety in grounding path. Fourthly, oversized neutrals can help reduce harmonic interference generated by electrical equipment, which can impact sensitive telecom equipment by reducing harmonic interference. While it may not be immediately intuitive, there are several reasons why telecom providers may require an oversized neutral in this scenario. Telecom equipment often generates significant harmonics, which are multiples of the fundamental frequency. These harmonics can cause interference with other electrical devices and communication systems because of high harmonic content. Telecom equipment is highly sensitive to voltage fluctuations, which can affect performance and reliability as part of sensitivity to voltage fluctuations. An oversized neutral provides a better ground path for telecom equipment, reducing the risk of ground loop problems due to grounding considerations. Some telecom standards require oversized neutrals for installations where sensitive equipment is present, providing compliance with standards. In the specific example of a 200 amps panel board with 3/0 conductors and a 4/0 neutral serving a 100 amps sub-panel with telecom equipment, the oversized neutral is likely intended to provide a sufficient current carrying capacity for potential peak loads and harmonic currents. It will also offer a stable voltage level for the sensitive telecom equipment. It enhances the grounding path and reduces the risk of ground loops. Furthermore, it complies with applicable telecom standards. By using an oversized neutral, the telecom provider aims to minimize interference and ensure reliable operation of their equipment.